In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten links in Hootsuite, ensuring your posts not only look cleaner, but also make tracking and management a breeze. Let's dive right into this simple yet effective process. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Any browser will work just fine, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another favorite of yours. Once it's open, type Hootsuite into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the official Hootsuite website, where the magic happens. Now, it's time to log into your Hootsuite account. If you've used Hootsuite before, you're probably already familiar with this step. But don't worry if you're new here. Logging in is straightforward. Just click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, which is the command center for all your social media management tasks. Next, direct your attention to the Create section in the Hootsuite dashboard. This is where the fun begins. The Create section is your go-to spot for crafting new posts, and today, it's where we'll be working on shortening your links. With the Create section open, you'll notice a content box waiting for your input. This is where you'll enter or paste your original longer URL. Maybe you have a link to an article, a product page, or any web resource that you want to share with your audience. Go ahead and paste that URL into the content box. Don't worry about how lengthy it is, as we're about to remedy that. Once your link is pasted, look for the option labeled Shorten without Li. This feature is Hootsuite's built-in link shortening tool. By selecting this, Hootsuite's ao.li system will automatically generate a shorter, more concise version of your original URL. This condensed link will not only take up less space in your post, but also give it a sleek, professional look. And there you have it. Your newly shortened link is now ready to be included in your posts, making them cleaner and more efficient for sharing across your social media platforms. Plus, with the ao.li shortener, you gain the added benefit of tracking link clicks, which can offer great insights into how your content is performing. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to effortlessly shorten links using Hootsuite. With these steps in your toolkit, you can confidently enhance your social